Hello guys, today let's see if he can solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay. Okay, let's see if he can solve this Rubik's Cube. So first I need to do this. Okay.
Why? You're doing it. Why? You're just...
Okay, now try to solve it. I don't care how long this takes. It doesn't matter if it takes a year, 2 years, or even 5 years. We're doing this until he gives up. Or if he successfully solves it. So let's see. My brother is an expert at solving it. And here's the thing, it's actually meant to be harder. It is actually meant to be hard, actually. And also guys, in my next video, you're gonna see this number on the board. And we're going to have this board. We just recorded that video. It's called Guess the Number Equals Win 10K, Win 20K points. And also you'll need to solve the whole cube. Okay. Anyway, but amazing Minecraft fans. Anyway, but amazing Minecraft fans. You're probably wondering why he's not moving that much. It's because he's currently solving a Rubik's Cube for one of my videos. You've probably already seen that video before. This video is probably uploaded before that video. Where he's solving a Rubik's Cube. I feel sorry for my cat called Ginger. Monster. They can't see it. This camera's shaking like crazy. Stop shaking. This camera's shaking like crazy. Hold still. Hold still. Camera, hold still. Hold still. How hard is math in your class? while you're trying to solve that Rubik's Cube, can you tell me how hard math is in that class?
I don't know.
Do they have X in the math?
Yes.
Yeah. They start that in grade 6. And I have, and also guys, I have that too. I get that too. Color. I'm so excited for color one in a month. Wait, they can't really see it. And did you know? I think 19% of people actually can solve the Rubik's Cube. It's actually 19% of people that can solve the Rubik's Cube. They can't really see the Rubik's Cube that good. Okay, when you open your legs, they can see it better. If you either give up or if you either give up or complete the Rubik's Cube, then the video's over. I may not see it anymore. This video ends when you either give up or finish the Rubik's Cube. This camera's shaking like crazy. Hold still. Hold still.
Yeah, I'm not making any progress with this. I'm just messing it up even more.
Okay, so he gave up. So before it ends, I'm gonna try. Okay. I got an entire world, but still, on the other side's not done. Because I'm terrible at this. Hey, Quando here. It sucks being a big boy. Guys, I hate being a big boy. I get treated worse as a big boy than I do as a little boy. And everyone gets dumber when I'm a big boy. Why did I fall here? If I end it now, then it'll only be 11 minutes long, which is kind of long enough. How do people even know? Guys, if you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, then how do you even know? Okay. Anyway, guys, I give up. So, guys, that means this is the end of the video. This is actually also hard. This was the best progress I made. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is uploaded on the next Saturday.